Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if you hear a bunch of kids in the background. I just wanted to get this video up really quick. I just went to Ross with two of my daughters and I picked up a few gifts for some family members and also picked up two things for myself. So let's get started. So my sister-in-law and her fiance just had their housewarming party. So she said she still needed a whisk, so I got her this one. I figured it would go well with any kitchen no matter what her colors were, so I just got that one. And then I got this, thought it was really cute. Love You More, and it has a little like easel type stand. And this was only $4.99. I thought that was really cute. I wanted to get her something that she needed and then something maybe she would like. And then my niece who just turned 8, I got her these right here. Actually, my daughter also picked them out. But they are the mini ball string lights and they're battery operated. I thought they were really cute. I thought she could put them up in her room, like around her bed, because I know she has a tent on her bed. So I thought that would be really cool and kind of look like stars outside of her tent. So anyway, those were the 3 gifts that I got, and then I got 2 things for myself. I've been looking for another glass container. You may have seen in my other videos that I've had a couple of glass containers. There's one. You can't see my, oh, you can see, this is my sugar one. I got this one from Home Goods. Okay, so I got this one to put my flour in. So yeah, it just screws on. And it seems to seal very well because I always check for that. I don't want it to, I don't want air to leak in. Because this is what my flour is in right now. the bag that I bought it in busted, and so I have written on here, organic all-purpose flour expires 11/2018. So I'm excited to wash that and put that in there. This was $4.99. I thought that was really cheap for that because this one was I think $7. That one was $7. The little mason, it says mason, it's the same size as that one. But this one was $4.99, so I thought that was really cool. Which Ross is cheaper than TJ Maxx and Home Goods. Okay, so this is the last item I'm super excited about. I'm wanting to get rid of all my black and red coffee cups because they get on my nerves. My kitchen used to be in black and red, and I'm so tired of that. It's been like that for 10 years. So I'm wanting to do pinks and purples and greens and things like that. So this is what I got. $8. $8.
Yeah, and we just got some genie stuff.
Yeah, we got your genie stuff. Look at this. Aren't these gorgeous? There's like a medium purple, a very light lavender. I'm not sure if you can tell that. A darker purple, and a white. And these are coffee mugs. I'm so excited about these. I could not be happier. These are some of the coffee cups that I have. So yeah, I've had these more than 10 years. I've had them since 05. So that was what, 13 years now I've had these. So I'm ready to donate them, whoever wants them, whatever. Okay, so that is all for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite item. All right, see you next time. Bye, guys. So I got her a whisk. And I wasn't sure what. I think you're too short to be in the shot. I'm sorry.